What is up, YouTube? We have bus 689 right here. 2022 Cummins C2. Does have a storage box. We'll do a quick walk around. We're gonna go on the inside. It's got spider webs already. I ain't even been here 2 hours. Yeah, we get new buses in town. Really, Freddie? Really? Why? Why? '22 model right here. Let's go on the inside. Talk about it. Yeah, I got it. So, yep. We got seat belts. These seat belts are a different color than the older ones. I don't know why they changed it.
This woman's sitting in the damn field.
That's Freddie. Say hey, Freddie.
This woman's sitting in the damn field.
Yeah, that's Freddie right there. I didn't know this was gonna be a complete, a double video with Freddie in it. Don't you see me back in the YouTube video? Turn the fast idle on.
The who?
Fast idle.
See, I got a feeling this bus gonna go too slow.
It's not. Tires move good. Put it in reverse.
Put it in drive. Put it in run. Okay, it's taking way too long for me. I'm hot. I'm ready to go. All right, the clock down. You
See, move out the way.
Yeah, you have to.
Keep playing. I'm trying to make a video. He's doing too much. Wrong key. Oops. Yep. Air's built up enough. Let me close it up. Thought it was built up enough. This is a reverse camera for the new ones. It ain't no better than the older ones, but oh well, it works. You know, the 3-position door switch is standard now. Let me wait till she going on that side. This is a reverse light. Let me close the side. But yeah, it's good old 689. 689. Another reverse light, no diesel door. Storage box. That's clean right there. That's about it though. I don't even know if the air on this bus works good or not. Brand new units that ain't new, as you can see. Let me go hit the button. Let me see if this works. Let's see if this works. No, it don't. Now let's try this. Yeah. Hold on, let me see something. Terry!
What the hell?
2022.
Huh?
22. 2022.
What?
A 2022.
No, I'm talking about what did it replace?
1033.
Huh?
1033.
This 1033 reincarnated.
Really? Yes, 1033.
Hey, you ain't got cameras on there yet.
This ain't my bus. I got 1001.
Huh?
I got 1001.
You got 10, huh?
1001.
1001.
That's aggressive.
Who gonna have this?
Really? They don't know who they giving new buses yet.
We got that one, you know, we got 670 too.
I thought they were one of boom buses.
No, that's ours. That replaced
I hear
829.
it say, shit be said, somebody see you riding around on this man. I gonna say you just got here.
They was like, how you get a new bus?
Right. My biggest gripe was I've been here since '97.
Uh-huh.
And other people riding away.